Hello, dear students, good morning. Today we will continue with our grammar topic active and passive voice. Today we will discuss how we change active sentence into passive sentence and some rules for the change of voice, how the pronouns are changed from active to passive, then some changes in tenses when we change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Before we start our or before we see how the active sentence change into the passive tenses, let's discuss about what is voice. In English language, what is voice? So voice is that form of transitive verb that shows whether the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action or has the action done to it. तो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि वॉइस क्या है, तो वॉइस एक ऐसा फॉर्म वर्ब ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जो है उसका एक ऐसा फॉर्म है जो हमें बताता है कि जो कर्ता सब्जेक्ट है, जो ये जो सेंटेंस है उसमें जो कर्ता है वो जो एक्शन हो रही है वो एक्शन करने वाला है, मतलब वो एक्शन का करता है, उसने वो एक्शन किया है, या तो जो एक्शन है वो उसके साथ हुई है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मोहन प्लेड फुटबॉल, है ना. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस फर्स्ट वी कैन से दैट दिस सेंटेंस मोहन प्लेड फुटबॉल. तो दिस सेंटेंस इज in the active voice, and here Mohan is the subject and he is a doer of the action. That is, which action? Means Mohan played football, and so Mohan is a subject and the action which is done by him is played football. So here Mohan is the doer of the action. Whatever action is taken place here, he is the doer of the action. The action of the subject is transferred to the object football because Mohan has done something to the football. जैसे कि मैंने आपको ऊपर बताया कि वॉइस क्या है, तो एक ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का एक ऐसा फॉर्म है जो हमें बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट ने कौन सी एक्शन की है, तो वो जो सब्जेक्ट है जो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में एक्शन दी गई है उसका डूअर है, या तो जो घटना जो एक्शन हुई है वो उसके साथ हुई है. तो यहाँ पे मोहन प्लेड फुटबॉल, तो मोहन जो है वो इस सेंटेंस में क्या है, तो मोहन जो है वो एक सब्जेक्ट है जो डूअर है एक्शन का, और यहाँ पे कौन सी एक्शन की गई है, तो प्लेड फुटबॉल, मतलब उनके द्वारा फुटबॉल खेला गया था. तो यहाँ मोहन जो है वो प्लेड फुटबॉल, मतलब मोहन जो है वो यहाँ जो एक्शन हुए खेलने की उसका जो है वो डूअर है. इफ वी चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इन पैसिव वॉइस, then the football comes first, means the football which is object in active voice, it comes first as at the place of subject, means football was played by Mohan. So here the subject is football which was object in the active sentence. So here something is done to the subject football. Now what done to the subject? So it suffers the action done by something or someone. Means it shows that this action, that played football, is done by something or someone. Means someone, means who someone? So Mohan, means football was played by Mohan. Now let's have a look about some changes or some rules while we are changing sentence from active to passive voice. So here is the first rule, that is, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. The preposition by is put before it. So, the object in this sentence, Mohan played football. So, which is the object in this sentence? Yes, football is the object in this sentence. So, when we change this sentence in passive voice, so this object means football, which in the active sentence becomes the subject of the verb, means football comes at the place of Mohan in the passive voice, and we use by or we use preposition by before it. For example, Mohan played football, it is in active voice. Now if we change this sentence in passive voice, the football was played by. Football, which is object in active, it comes as a subject while we change in passive. So football was played by Mohan. Now the second rule, the main verb of the active sentence changes into past participle. So main verb means, for example, if you see the previous example that Mohan played football. So when we change sentence from active to passive, the main verb means the verb which shows action, it changes into the past participle. Here I give one example. For example, okay, here write. So she writes a letter. So she writes a letter. The sentence is in simple present tense. She writes a letter. So writes is a main verb, action verb. While I am changing this sentence, she writes a letter, in passive voice, the sentence is built like this, that a letter is written by her. Means write is changed into the past participle. Write is changed to the written when I change the sentence in passive. The form of the verb to be, which to be verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, is placed before the main verb according to the tense. For example, I gave you one example, she writes a letter. So she writes a letter means the sentence is in simple present tense. So when I will change this sentence in passive voice, so if this sentence is in simple present tense, that's why we put is, because we use is in present tense. So a letter is according to the tense. So a letter is written by her. The auxiliary verb is changed according to the subject in number and person. Now let's see changes in pronouns. Here you can see that if the pronoun, you can see the change of pronoun from active to passive. If you use I in active voice and when you change in passive, it will become by me, we will change to by us, you will change to by you, he is changed to by us, she is changed to by her, and it is changed to by it, and then they is to by them. Now let's have a look about changes and tenses from active to passive voice. Now tense wise. Here I gave some examples so you can have better understanding. For example, if the sentence is in simple present tense, he kills a snake. He kills a snake. So this sentence is in active voice. Now when I change this sentence in passive voice, a snake, the rules we had discussed earlier, a snake is become subject, which is an object in active voice. Now in passive voice, a snake is become a subject, and I placed is before the main verb. Why I placed is? So the rule number 3, the verb to be is placed before the main verb according to the sentence, according to the tense. So according to tense means it is in simple present tense. In present tense, we are using is, am, are. But here is a snake. Snake is a singular person, third person singular. So a snake is killed by him. Then in simple past tense, he killed a snake. A snake was killed by him. In simple future tense, she will write a letter, or a letter will be written by her. Then present continuous, she is singing a song is being sung by her. Past continuous, she was singing a song was being sung by her. Present perfect tense, they have watered the plants have been watered by them. Then past perfect, we had helped him, he had been helped by us. And future perfect tense, I will have met him, I will have beaten him. So he will have been beaten by me. So here are some changes and rules related active to passive voice. In our next video, we will discuss tense wise, or we will discuss in detail tense wise how the sentences are changed from active to passive voice. Thank you. Have a nice day.